everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something super practical for anyone working in radiation oncology, medical physics, or medical device development. How to extract key information from a DICOM RT Plan file using Python. Before we jump into the code, let's talk about what's actually inside a DICOM RT Plan. A DICOM RT Plan contains patient information, beam definitions, energies, gantry, collimator, couch angles, monitor units, control points, fluence mode, and much more. This file is the blueprint of how the treatment machine delivers those. Today, I'll show you how to automatically extract all of that information with a simple Python script. We use PyDICOM library to read in a DICOM RT Plan file. To extract beam information, first is the monitor unit. It is stored in the fraction group sequence. And we use the beam meter set to get the monitor units for each beam. Each beam is stored in the beam sequence, and we can get the beam type, the delivery type. This field separates the treatment beam versus the setup beams. In terms of the energy, the nominal beam energy gives you the energy of the beam, but it does not give you the fluence mode. So for a 6x, 6MV, and 6FF beam, the nominal beam energy will be 6. To further differentiate whether the beam is flattening filter free or regular flattened beam, we will use the fluence mode to further differentiate. Next, to extract all other information, geometry information such as the gantry angle, collimator angle, and couch angle, we use first control point. This will be true for both the static beam and dynamic beams. And this is most important for dynamic beams to get the gantry angle. Usually we call the start angle from the first control point, because each control point has a different gantry angle. And at the end, we will store all this information in this list and print out at the end. Now let's run it. It will read in the DICOM file, and in this plan, it outputs two beams with the beam number, beam name, type. This is a VMAP plan. The fluence mode, including whether it's differentiates whether it's a flattened beam or flattening free beam. It also outputs gather the total monitor units, the start gantry angle, so on and so forth. And that's it. This is a clean, reusable, and extendable way to read any DICOM RT Plan file. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with me your comments and thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.